Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, just keep on watching. Alright, so this here is the finished look. The way I anticipated in my head is the way that it did turn out, but as we already know with this Bling Boss palette by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, so I found myself having to finesse the shadows. But as we already know, the Bling Boss palette by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe is not like the best of the best quality out there, and it is just what it is. But I'm going to use it because I bought it. I would most definitely say to you, like, I know I said before that I wasn't going to bother to get a refund or whatnot, but I did contact Morphe and I got a replacement. So I do have a replacement set of the Vault palette, of the Vault collection. Not too sure what I'm going to do with it, whether or not I'll break it up and give it away, or whether or not I should try them, or I'm not too sure at this moment in time. Tell me what you think down below, because there's no point in having two. That's how I feel. There really isn't, especially as I have so much makeup. But yes, this is how it turned out. It turned out exactly how I thought it was going to turn out, even though, you know, the shadows aren't the best. But I can go out and wear this, like, it's still a wearable look. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me what your suggestions are down below, and I'll see you in the next one.